To reload thine weapon.
To seal thine holy surfaces.
To apply thin, hollow unguents.
I gotta look up that word, unguents. It's a good one.
Alright, I gotta build that last tower. And the other two I had kind of plans for. Like I had some idea in my head. This one I don't, so I think I'll just do it inspired by Trent over there at Miscast. And check him out. Trent Holbrook, his permadeath vlog has inspired me. I'm gonna just do this in vlog style. If anything sticks, I'll leave it in. If I'm just talking the bullshit I usually talk, it'll probably be a short video. So I guess I'm just looking for things that will make the base part of it. I like these, excuse me, I like these hexagon pin tack wall mount cork things. I saved a bunch that got pulled off the wall, but they all got stuck together, except for a few that I salvaged before. These
are really stuck together.
So I was thinking I could just, you know, copy that other one, that shape, but no, I have, it's cool. Alright, so I got some junk. Let's make it. Make a tower. Actually, this is really cool. If I do something like that, maybe I can almost use these as a guide. And try to do a spiral staircase of chunks of this sticking out. What do you think? Is that possible?
I think it is.
Oh, we want a base. We got this. I really hate cutting the foam though. So, safety first, right? That's the thing. Yeah, right, you don't want to, you gotta wear this thing. Don't want to be breathing this shit. I know, I already fucked myself up with it.
But because I've cut that foam now, I gotta let my workshop air out a little bit. I can't be working in here. I got the fan and I got the vent or the window open, couple windows open, couple fans, ventilation, that whole thing. And I got respiratory on. But I don't want to take this off and just start working in here and still have all that smoke floating around, so I'm gonna let it air out for a minute. So that's the problem with cutting foam, is it kind of stops me a little bit.
There is absolutely no way that I'm going to be able to get it quiet in here to have good sound to record. There are far too many things turning on and off at the moment. I tried to turn the fans off and the underhive below me ran out of oxygen and they made me turn it back on. So unfortunately we're gonna have to deal with the vent sounds. I've set this up. It's upside down because it doesn't stand with this thing, but I'm thinking that on the bottom. We're still brainstorming here. We're just brainstorming. That on the bottom. This coil down the whole thing. I'll take this off so it isn't.
I can do halfsies of these.
So then I think when I cut this hole, instead of doing it like just half of this circle, I'm going to do a little bit more than half. So that they kind of slot in there. Might be cool. We'll see. We'll see if this works. So I drilled those all the way through into this tube. So this piece is locked in there. But I do want to put some angle cuts on these just to kind of mimic this edge. Which means I got to put the respirator on and I got to open all the windows and get all the fans pointing in the right direction. So I'm going to do that. I'm not going to film it because it's really not that interesting to see me slice. Just imagine that piece coming off. Alright, I'm ready to assemble a bit here. I got my pieces relatively set up. Where's my other piece? My broken piece. Got my glue I'm going to use. Tools. But I need more. I want to get some more bits out so I can assemble it with the bits. Because I've learned that it's easier. It looks cooler the more layers you put on it. So if I get some, when I assemble, then I can run wires and things over that. So that's what I'm going to do. We are going to dig into bits for a little bit and listen to some hive scum and dig through bits. That isn't therapy. I don't know what is. Alright, I got some bits pulled out. I'm gonna start assembling this. My hot glue gun's hot.
Let's go. Let's go.
Praise be the strength of the glue stick.
Deadline time period. Like, I was hoping to deliver.
Alright, this is where we got so far. I like this rec bit on this side. I'm gonna start adding some more details. And I'm gonna eat a bar. Alright, we back. Basically, you just listened to the Hive Scum podcast and put greebles on this. Came together pretty quickly. It's a little lopsided, but I don't mind that because I have done some broken bits, so it's kind of a ruined thing. I'm just going to keep greebling this up. Alright, there we go. That's as
Far as I've gotten so
far as
so far. I put it on the most wobbly of buildings so it doesn't stay in the same spot. Because this tube is over in the corner of this building. But all I really need to do is put a ladder here. And they start to put some different textures. I wanted to do some goop for this level. I thought it would look cool with that texture that I did there. What else? Oh, I'm not quite done with that other piece. No Clear Kill gave me a bunch of stuff, and we played on it, and I want to make that a very much the transport tower, and I'll explain that here in the next thing that I record there. So this is the transport tower, the second tower I did. I have to do something about this. I got to play with it the other day, and this is really cool, but there's got to be some tension or something on here, or a ratchet or something, because it's too high for me to pull the pin, and if you want it setting somewhere that isn't just right here, you have to hope that the pin gets in the right spot. It was just a lot of work, so I want to make this easier, and I was given more of these. Oh, I can't remember what PP things.
Potentiometer.
Something.
Dang. But these really cool fiddly diddlies. And I'm gonna put them on here because I feel like if I put 2 of these zip lines that can go anywhere and up and down, ways to get up and down, I feel like that is very much transport happening, right? So I'm gonna do that. I dig this. So did I hit record on any of that? Oh, I did. Good job. I don't even know what I'm talking about. I finished up this guy. I put zip ties on it and fixed the to work properly. The winch cable mechanism thing going on there. Then I put a bunch of work into this thing, and I still have work to do on it. It needs wiring. It needs debris. Needs a whole bunch of wiring and texture, and a ladder / elevator or something there. It needs something there. I could just keep working on this evening and try to get it finished up and try to make a video tomorrow, but in the spirit of Trent's permadeath, I'm just gonna stop here and try to edit this video and get it out this evening or tomorrow morning. So we'll see how that goes. I don't know, this video could turn to crap because I'm not very good at editing, and that's the hard part, but you gotta do the hard things, right? But I really like the way that it came out, this texture toy or whatever. Very cool way to create some texture. I like the fact that it mimics this piece with the hexagons or octagons or whatever the heck they are. 6-sided, I don't even know. Check it out. I'm going to do more wiring on probably on both of these, because this one still needs some work to do. I'm going to do a bunch of wiring on that one. That's what I'm going to do tomorrow. I'm going to see if I can get a video out on what I've done. Huh? Does that make sense? I don't know. We'll see. It's all good either way. Oh yeah, I also wanted to say, in previous video I said Arcane Con is on the 17th and 18th. I was totally wrong. It's on the 7th and 8th. I don't know why 17th and 18th. Numbers and me don't really work, but yeah. So hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video, and these will be done, maybe painted. Something else? Oh yeah, I got a couple other little things that I want to do on the board, so that'll probably be the next video. Finishing everything up, getting them primed. I got to play a game on it, like all set up. Obviously this piece wasn't built yet, but the other 2 platform pieces were. And we played a game, a 3-player game. and it was really cool. The hike was fun. We started up on the top, up on this thing, and it was very cool. I mean, I had a great time, but the terrain definitely is epic when it's all set up on a table. I'm short, and I couldn't reach up to the top of this thing, so that's the thing.
So it's a tall guy board, I guess.
But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for checking my stuff out.
Yada yada.
Listen to High Scum Podcast.
Listen to High Scum Podcast.
I appreciate even just the good vibes, all the interactions. They're beautiful. Yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video.